listen to me real close. If you show up to
Yes.
this house and you don't have that money that you promised me, I'm going upside your head, and Mr. Goodman can get it too if he's got a problem.
Over the past few days, I've been talking to a scammer that goes by the name David Miller. David Miller says I had won $18.5 million, $5,000 weekly, and a 2024 pink Mercedes. Everything started out normal for the first couple of days. We went over the taxes that needed to get paid for me to get the money. We've heard the beginning of this scam so many times that I'm not going to bore you with going through it again. Just know that if PCH ever calls you and demands money for your winnings, it's a scam. This scammer had the goal of taking everything from Alice and even going as far as possibly trying to figure out how he could take her house as well. This is a sickening call, but buckle up because we have some attitude in store for Mr. Miller and his coworker. Enjoy. I forgot to say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you like what I do here.
Stay close by your phone, and I'm gonna hang up right now, get the information, and you call me back in a minute or two.
All right, bye-bye.
Could you give me your name?
Yes, it's Alice Margot.
Alice Margot.
I'm the first place winner and you don't even know my name.
Okay, so what you supposed to do? You're supposed to be rolling a check. Do you have checks at home? Checkbook at home? You said, right?
Yes, I put 9,000 on this check.
You're supposed to be having a check made out. Okay.
Did I
Yes.
write the check?
Yes, I think that you already write it from yesterday, but you need to write another one, okay, to make it the full amount, okay? You have to write one for 7,000, all right?
I have this check for 9,000.
Yes, you will. Yes, you're gonna be mailing out one for 9,000 and one for 7,000, okay?
No, is it going to the same person?
Yes, it's going to the same person. So two of the check is in the mailbox. You put both of them in the mail, right?
Right. It's two checks in the envelope. It was 9,000 and 7,000. What was the 7,000 for?
That is for the taxes, all right? Both of them are for the taxes. What I'm gonna do right now, how far away is your bank from you?
Maybe 15 minutes.
Oh, and how much how much is the total of the amount you said that you have in your savings account?
$7,252.36.
Do you keep cash at home? Do you have a safe in the house?
Yes, I have cash in the closet upstairs.
Oh, oh, you got cash. How much cash do you think you have at home? I need to know if you have over 30,000 there. Do you think you have 30,000 there in cash?
About 25,000.
Okay, all right. Listen, what I'm gonna do. Do you know how to wrap up that? Do you have like a gift box there?
I got a shoebox.
I want you to wrap up the cash in a magazine. Do you have a magazine?
I
Yes.
don't like the idea of hiding money. Would it
Okay,
be
well, listen.
possible for me to give you this when you get to the house?
Okay, well, you won't able to give me the cash. I can't take the cash from you, okay?
I found a book. Is that okay? It's not a magazine.
No, the book won't work.
It has to be a magazine.
Today is your big day for us to come over. You're speaking with Mr. George Goodman here. All right, I'm working with my associate together, and we are going to be managing this properly to make certain that you receive without any problem. All right.
All right.
Have you ever mailed any form of letter before, or have you ever mailed any cash out there before like this?
I have mailed letters. I've never mailed cash. That he was saying I need to put it in a magazine, but I don't know that I have a magazine here. And I gotta say, I don't like this.
You have that money there in cash, and
I
what are you
do.
going to be doing?
This is in cash. I put two
You have
checks in the
you have it all
mailbox.
in cash?
I'm sorry.
You have it all in cash?
Yes. I've already put 2 checks in the mailbox. I did 9,000 on one check and then 7,000 on the other check. And then he asked
Right.
for cash. And I'm not comfortable hiding this cash to get it to somebody. After these checks go through, I'll have $2,747 left.
All right. Don't worry yourself, because what we'll do, we'll make certain we deliver your millions of dollars so you could able to be happy.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. Goodman.
Yes, it's Mr. Goodman.
So I can go to my bank and get a cashier's check, and there's no limit on the cashier check.
Oh, you could get a cashier's check from your bank, like from your savings account. You said that you had a savings and a checking, right? The
Yes,
check
I
that you
do.
made out, you made them from, yes, the check that you made out, it was from your savings account, right?
No, that was from checking.
Okay, all right. Could you get a cashier's check for 5,000, and you don't open your business to anyone, all right? You just keep your business confidential, all right?
All right.
Right, and that will
From
be made out.
saving.
It, yes, it's gonna be made out to, okay?
Is getting a lot of money. Did he win
Yes,
Publishers Clearinghouse or did I win?
no. He didn't win Publishers Clearance House. You win Publishers Clearance House, okay?
It's starting to
But
sound
he's the
like
one.
he won.
He's
This is all of
no.
my money right here.
All right, listen. Don't go to the bank. I'm not gonna let you go to the bank because you already have cash at the house, right?
Right.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna let you get 5 money harder. Could you take 5,000 out and you get?
Right. It's Mr. Goodman, right? All right. So,
The other
yes,
guy
man.
said he
So,
was Mr. Goodman.
no, we are working together, all
So
right,
you're
to
both
to
Mr.
do
Goodman.
everything.
What is going on here? I don't like this.
No, ma'am. Listen, I am George Goodman, and then you're talking with David Miller, right?
Well,
He's
David
working with
Miller
me.
just lied to me and said he was you.
No. He's saying that here is Mr. Goodman, right? He was trying to turn the phone over to me. He's saying here is Mr. Goodman. That's what he said. So we're down to you now as the fifth place winner. We already delivered to 4 people before you. All right. So
Fifth place.
we're down to you now. Pardon me?
Yesterday I was told, I wrote it down, I was the first place winner. Now you're saying the fifth place. I
Oh,
have
you are the
dementia,
first place.
so I don't remember a
Oh,
whole lot, but I write down
yeah.
everything.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I made the mistake, right? I made the mistake. I'm sorry because I never here at the office yesterday. All right, that's the problem. I didn't look at your file. So I am making a mistake there. Forgive me for that. All right, ma'am. Please, will you please?
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Right. I like the way you write things down so you could remember. All right. What do you think is better for us here to do? Do you think it's better for you to write a check to the company, or do you think it is better for you to do the money order? What do you think is easier? What is much easier for you? What time does the mailman come there?
I'd say between 11 and 12.
You can kind of tell they're trying to figure out a new plan to get the rest of the money from Alice right here. I had to calm down and let them think Alice is back under control to keep the bait going. Don't worry though, there's more attitude in store.
Do you own your own house and do you drive your own car?
I do. I drive a 2012 Toyota Corolla, and I own my own house.
All right, great, very good. And how many floor house is that? Is it just a flat, one floor, or is it just two store?
It's only one story.
How many rooms is that? Maybe a
Two,
1 or 2 bedroom?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom with your kitchen, and do you have that room also? Okay, that's very good. And what's the value on that house?
Back in the 80s, it was
Uh-huh.
it was about I'd say about 120.
Oh, 120.
Right.
So what's the value? So if you were supposed to sell it now, the value had to go up. So how much do you think it worth now? Maybe 250 or so?
For me to guess, I would say about 200,000. The
Oh.
price on these houses now are crazy.
Oh yeah.
So if I'm sending him 25,000 plus 9,000 plus 7,000, I'm sending him
Uh-huh.
$41,000. And you said this was the taxes for 18.5 million. So
Yes, ma'am.
let's
And we will
divide
able to make
this.
certain.
Let's divide this
Yeah.
by point zero
Yeah.
0.06 equals.
Right. And we're gonna come over today, but
This
you
is
know, I
not
really
adding
don't want.
up. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. You
Oh,
should have
okay.
came with a better
What?
story. This is no. We're not doing this. You can go find somebody else to scam.
No, ma'am. No. What are you talking about, ma'am? I don't understand what you mean.
I know what this is. I'm smarter than this. I'm not sending you $41,000.
No, ma'am. Listen. Just understand. Let me explain everything to you. All
You're
right?
trying to take
Because
all
you
my
don't.
money and leave me with
No,
two
listen.
thousand
Listen. No, no,
dollars, and
no,
you'd
no.
probably come
No,
back
no,
with
no.
$2,000 in gift cards. Get a job. Get a job. I'm not
No,
doing this.
no,
Go to
no.
hell. Hello.
Yes, hello, David Miller speaking, okay?
Hey, David.
Yes. Is everything okay, darling?
Everything's all right. Are you
Okay.
working with George Goodman?
Uh, I'm working here. Why do you ask?
I just had George Goodman on the phone, and he was asking for a lot of money. It was like 35 or $45,000, and I told him I didn't like that.
Okay, well, listen, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna take care of everything for you here today, and I'm gonna get you your money today. So don't worry yourself. I'm gonna handle this on my own, okay?
All right.
Yes. Listen, what I want you.
Don't bring George Goodman. Between me and you, I think he's a scammer.
Okay, all right. I'll keep this between you and me, no one else. Yes. So listen, what I'm gonna do. I'm ready right now to get your money over to you. Are you dressed?
I am dressed, yes.
Okay, all right. What I'm gonna need you to do, I'm gonna need you to get $5,000 uh sent in cash. Do you think you could send 5,000
Here
in cash,
we
or you
go
would like?
again. I'm not doing it. You can go to hell with Mr. Goodman. Go to hell to both of you.
Yeah, get a job is always one of my go-tos whenever it comes to these people.
How can I help you?
Yes. Listen, I'm coming over there right now with the UPS, right?
And you're bringing the money.
Yes, I'm bringing you the cashier's check, and also I'm bringing you the 5,000 every week for life along with your car, okay?
I
But
want you
remember,
to
we the
listen real close. Listen to me real close. If you show up to
yes.
this house and you don't have that money that you promised me, I'm going upside your head. And Mr. Goodman can get it too if he's got a damn problem.
No, I'm coming by myself. Don't you worry, okay? I'm coming over with all of the cash that I have, and you're gonna be
All
a
of it,
rich
every bit of it.
and yes, you're getting all of
I
it,
tell
and
you
you're
what, stop talking. What is my address?
pardon.
What is my address?
What is your address?
Yes, sir.
You didn't give me your address.
You're
All
damn
right.
right. How do
Remember, you
you
didn't
know
give.
where I live?
How do I know where you live?
Yes.
I yes, I know that you are over in New York. You're in New York, New Jersey.
I'm not even in New Jersey. I'm in Oregon. I told Mr. Goodman
Oregon.
that.
Okay,
It
all
is
right. I'm gonna write down the
9:55
address.
right here in Oregon. That's where I live.
Hold on,
So you're in the
hold
wrong
on, hold.
damn state.
No,
How
no.
are
I'm in
you gonna
Oregon.
get to
Listen,
Oregon? How are you gonna get to Oregon today?
we have a private jet, darling. Don't worry. Listen, give me the
You
address.
ain't
Let me
got no
write it down.
private jet. I tell you what, use some of
Yeah.
my winnings to buy you a flight down here, and you better get down here real fast.
All right. Give me the address.
Do you have a pen? I'll
Okay.
talk to you
All
when you
right.
get here. Bye-bye.
Who's this? Oh, this is them again. Let's see what they got to say.
This is Alice.
Yes, this is David Miller. Okay.
Hey, David, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. We're now arriving at the municipal airport. Okay, over in Oregon. All right.
So, just to clarify, he said we're now arriving at the municipal airport in Oregon. It's been 13 minutes. He just said he was in New Jersey 13 minutes ago. These guys are the stupidest breed of people walking this planet. There's also a flaw in his story that someone had pointed out in chat, but I'm not gonna say what the flaw is to help them with their script later. Hopefully a victim will notice the flaw and realize that they're lying, but see if you can figure it out as well.
So how far are you away?
Well, I'm about an hour and a half away, or maybe 2 hours away. We're not far away from you. All right.
That's fine. I'll be waiting here. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be mean. Give me a call when you get about 5 minutes away, and I'll come out to the door.
Could you take care of a cashier's check for me? Because we have to finish the payment in order to get there, okay? On time, all right?
How much is the cashier? I just put 2 checks in the mailbox.
Yes, I remember you did that, okay? But we're not finished as yet. That's what I'm explaining to you, okay?
But you're coming here.
Yes, I'm gonna be coming, but I'm here at the airport dealing with the custom agency right now, and they told me that we have to finalize the payment with the IRS so they could give me a stamp, okay, to make sure that we have a safe delivery over there to you, okay? Do you know the UPS?
Yes, there's a UPS over there by the Walmart.
So I'll wait for your call in 1 hour. You go now and take the address with you, okay?
I'm getting ready to walk out the door now.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. Miller.
Yes.
Yeah, I talked to UPS, and they told me that this is a scam. Just like I already knew. I already knew it. I don't want to hear no excuses. I know what this
Listen,
is. I'm not stupid.
no.
You're the
Listen, you're not
stupid one.
supposed to be talking to no one.
No,
Listen,
I talk
you're
to
not
whoever
supposed to
I
be.
want to talk to.
No, where are you at? Listen, you have to get this done because we're on our way now, okay?
Oh, yeah. Do you want to talk to the UPS man?
No. I
It
don't want
sounds
to
like
talk
you
to
need to
anyone,
talk to
alright?
the UPS man. Hold on, I'm going back inside.
No, I don't want to talk to anyone.
No, you're done. You're talking.
We called back multiple times and got no answer on his phone, so I guess after counting $25,000 in cash, an appraisal on my home, a trip to the bank, UPS, and a scammer that can fly from New Jersey to Oregon in 13 minutes, this bait is now done. Stay aware of what people's intentions are. PCH will never ask for money. Don't get scammed. This is Takeout. I'll see y'all.